When looking at the PRINCE2 project management method, have you ever wondered, what is a project theme and what does that actually mean to PRINCE2? Hey there, Chris Ward here, an edutainer from IT Pro TV, to give you a quick little look on what is a project theme. So, what is it? Well, basically a theme is an aspect of a project that has to be addressed continually throughout the project itself. In PRINCE2, we have 7 themes that we must consider. Now, a little side note, there are a lot of 7s in PRINCE2. But one theme we have to consider is, of course, the first one, the business case. This is everything that we do that's aligned to fulfill that potential return on investment. So we spend a lot of attention on it. What about our organization? How are we organized? It might seem obvious, but how we are organized is important because is it done in a way that can actually meet the needs of the organizations that we're serving? And then there's quality. Are we going to deliver throughout our project the quality that is expected of us, or what some people call the conformance to requirements? And what about our plans? Do we have sufficient plans in place? And we say sufficient because if we're in an agile environment, then obviously what we really need to do is have our user stories, which are those little mini plans that we make in a sprint. Then we have risk. We have to manage risk, but we have to make sure that we manage risks to the level that is required by the organization, and that includes our opportunities as well as our threats. And one of the hardest themes to work with is change. When we're implementing any projects, think about it. We're making a change to our current environment. So we do have to consider how that change is going to impact our current environment as well as what we want in the future. Last, but certainly not least, is progress. Progress is where we monitor and we visibly promote the progress of our projects. So that way the teams, they're aware, as well as the customer, of what's going on. So there you have it, the 7 themes for a project in PRINCE2. If you want to learn more, well, check out our amazing courses on PRINCE2 and other project management methodologies here at IT Pro TV. Make sure you subscribe to our channel here to get access to even more little videos, podcasts, tech news, and more. I'm Chris Ward, and I'll see you next time.